Here I have POCO F7 and let me show you how to use the AI subtitle feature on the following device. So let's imagine a situation that you've got a video and you need the subtitles to this video. You can easily do it on all newer POCO smartphones or newer Xiaomi smartphones. You can add the subtitles to the video from your internal storage, from the internet, from YouTube, from your camera recordings. You can do the translation and subtitles to all of these videos. All you need to do is use this panel. So let's swipe down here, let's choose edit, and here you should find the AI subtitles. Let's add this toggle here. Okay, and now you've got access to this feature. Okay, so let's play some video. In my case it could be a video from YouTube. Let me play it. It could be any video. Okay, and then let's add subtitles to this video. Let me pause it for a second, use this toggle here, and here you've got your floating screen with the subtitles. Let's play the video.
So we're gonna go through a few steps, and the first one is going to be to adjust the settings of the game to make sure that your computer is not overloaded.
Okay, as you can see here you've got the subtitles. You can also choose the settings here, and you can, for example, translate those subtitles to, for example, Spanish. Let's tap confirm, play the video.
So first off, we're gonna launch the game.
Here you've got the translation to Spanish.
Even if the game crashes, like before it can launch, you could open up this
Okay,
launcher right here.
and what about some other languages? For example, you've got the language, you've got the video in Spanish right here. Let's play this video. Let's wait until the ad will end. As you can see, the video is in Spanish. So if you would like to have the subtitles in Spanish, you need to change it. So let's choose the sound language to Spanish, tap confirm, and for example let me translate it to English. Okay, tap confirm, play the video.
Una pequeña casita o cualquier otro elemento que le permita descansar y aislarse de la luz del sol. También necesitará distracciones para hacer más llevadero el tiempo en el que no juegues o interacciones con él. Los túneles, pasarelas, juguetes y otros elementos.
Okay, that's it. Here you can also choose settings to change some other settings. For example, you can choose the audio source, so you can add translations from system audio, but you can choose also the microphone. You can change the text size, it could be large, for example. You can also change the floating window background from black to transparent. And you can also here see all settings, so you've got here all list of settings that you can change. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.